Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a Medicaid Transportation Services Request Letter. What is a Medicaid Transportation Services Request Letter? A Medicaid Transportation Services Request Letter is a written communication submitted by an individual enrolled in the Medicaid program, or their representative to formally request transportation assistance for medical appointments or healthcare-related purposes. This letter typically includes essential information such as the individual's name, Medicaid identification details, medical condition necessitating transportation, and a polite request for guidance on how to access and schedule Medicaid-provided transportation services. It serves as a formal appeal for assistance to ensure that the Medicaid beneficiary can attend necessary medical appointments when they face transportation challenges due to health-related issues or lack of reliable transportation options. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a Medicaid Transportation Services Request Letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write your full name. Under it, write your home address. You can include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And then, write the date of the letter. You can use the format of month, date, and year. Once you're done, write the information about the recipient. Since you don't know their name, just simply write the organization name. In this example, the letter is addressed to Medicaid Office of Springfield County. And don't forget to write the address of the organization. Here, it is important to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. For the next, you can open the letter with salutation. Simply write to whom it may concern. Or dear sir or madam, since you don't know the name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you need to tell the recipient the reason why you are writing this letter. Here, you want to request for a transportation for the sake of medical treatment. So, you can write, I am writing to request Medicaid transportation services for my medical appointments. And then, you need to introduce yourself. Write your full name as well as your Medicaid ID. For example, the writer's name is Jane Doe, and her Medicaid ID is 98765432210. After that, state clearly if you are registered as the member of Medicaid. So, simply write, I am currently enrolled in Medicaid and have a medical condition that requires regular visits. And write the name of the hospital or clinic name you used to visit. In this example, the writer has regular checkup at Springfield General Hospital. And then, you need to write the location of the clinic or hospital. In this example, the hospital is located at 456 Maple Street, Springfield, IL 62703. Yes, you need to mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, explain why you need the facility of transportation for your medical treatment. For example, you may have no car, have no budget, or unable to drive by yourself or something. You can just write it here. In this example, the writer stated that, due to her medical condition, the writer is unable to drive herself to these appointments. You can also write something like you do not have access to reliable transportation or so on. Just show the urgency here that you really need the transportation provided by Medicaid. You can write, as a result, I am requesting Medicaid transportation services to ensure I can attend my necessary medical appointments. In the third paragraph, you can politely ask for the procedure or schedule or guide on how to arrange the Medicaid transportation. If you don't know what to write, just simply write I kindly request information on how to schedule and arrange Medicaid transportation for my medical visits. including the process, contact details, and any required forms. So you are asking for information here and the recipient will know what to do after reading it. After requesting the information, you can also ask the recipient to respond to your letter as soon as possible. You can write, "Your prompt assistance in this matter is crucial for my health. And I appreciate your guidance on accessing Medicaid transportation services." Of course, you can use your own language. Just make sure you ask it politely and don't make it too long. In the fourth paragraph, you can then give your personal contact information. The recipient will need it to inform you the schedule and so on. Therefore, you need to provide your phone number. And write also your email address. Welcome the recipient to contact you anytime. And don't forget to end the letter with a thank you. Finally, you can close the letter with "sincerely." Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a Medicaid transportation services request letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.